Retard lighting firework. Oh,
Is this gonna get me?
that was low. Is that how low it's supposed to go?
Much better.
That was a little bit higher.
Why is a weed whacker noise in the background?
Yeah. This shit spits, right?
Oh yeah, it's all right.
Wow, that's sexy.
That was so cool. Really loud. Why?
That is beautiful.
God bless this holiday.
Oh
You
my
might have picked the
God.
single worst spot to park.
That was beautiful.
My mouth's gone.
I totally shit into the camera. Did
I
anyone
did
do
that too. Like, that one was pretty.
That one was pretty.
Wow.
Ready?
Yep. Turned it off.
I realize that, Shig. Yeah, right one. That was a little weird. Yeah. Oh, that sounded good. I like that one. That was a little bit quieter than the last That last one went really high. It's coming straight down. You see it?
Nope.
It is not smoke. that kind of stuff.
He was trying to kill everybody. From JoJo's life or whatever. Because they keep screwing him over.
Whoa.
The details like 6 episodes.
Yeah, I didn't watch any more of it, but I should finish
He
it.
gets actual drama in Fantasy Academy, and he ended up being like a C-class, like his disciples.
What is this? I don't know.
That was nice.
Look at all the paper.
Yep.
Did you say you got like a T-Rex shirt or something?
No, I got sharks.
Sharks. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
I was like, wait a minute, is it coming down?
Like falls into like the neighbor's yard.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I forgot I looked.
Cheers, America. Yeah, that's great. I don't want to read
Oh
this.
yeah, yeah. All yeah, all it says is snap.
We don't know what this does.
China.
Yeah!
Let's protect each other.
No, we're good, we're good. Cover yourself.
They're so low.
Right here. I got it. I got it.
Oh, not yet.
Going, alright?
You can hold it.
Hey, they're good? They're good?
Should we let go?
Yeah, we'll go.
Yeah, let it go. Let it go, Art.
Let go of yours. Let go of yours all the way.
ready.
It's just one.
yet.
Oh, Art, yours has a
Mine's just
Oh,
ready.
Art, yours has a hole.
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Don't put your hand in fire.
Don't worry about it.
If it lifts left,
Don't put your hand in
Let it
fire.
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Jack, grab it.
Jake, you guys don't get it into the tree.
Oh.
Oh, that one's going.
That's so cool. Logan, look at yours.
Which one? I let two off.
Yours is all the
That
way
one's
in the
coming
front.
down, though.
Going out. Hey,
Look at mine all the way in the back. All the way up front.
Look at the one. Look at the lowest one.
yeah, because it was with hole.
Was that yours, Art?
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, this was yours with hole.
Look at this one.
It's like UFO.
Look at how
Yeah,
far
it is.
mine is. Jesus.
That's really cool.
Wait, what?
Wait, what's gallons? 2 months.
I played Fallout 4. I've got like.
Dude, I didn't
I hit like E3 last year when they announced that Fallout was coming out in November. I know I'm really bad at this, but I know for a fact that. Awesome. Very nice. Your eye shield glasses.
That doesn't do it that way.
Doug won't.
No, you told me. Zach, have a cigarette.
That was good. That's beautiful.
What do you mean?
Oh, that first one was sexy. He said throw it way back. Oh, that blew out my eardrum. Isn't that too close?